everyone, Namaste, Suswagatam. I welcome you all to my channel, Samskritalayam. In this video, we are going to see Standard 7, Lesson 7, Sankalpaha Siddhi Dayakaha. So, the meaning of this title is Resolution Yields Fruit. So actually this is a kind of conversation that is happening between Parvati and her mom Mena and with her friend Vijaya and with Shiva. Now let us see the lesson. Parvati Shivam Patirupena Avanchat. Parvati Avanchat means wished. So Parvati she wished to have Shiva as her husband. Etadartham sa tapasyam kartum aichat. Etadartham. For this, sa she tapasyam kartum to do penance aichat wished. So for this she wished to do penance. Sa swakiyam manoratham matre nevedayat. Sa she swakiyam manoratham her own desire matre to mom nevedayat told. So she told her desire to her mom. Tachrutva Mata Mena Chintakula Abhavat. Tachrutva, on hearing that, Mata Mena, mom Mena, Chintakula Abhavat. She became worried. So on hearing that, her mom became worried. Mena, Vatse Manishitaha Devataha Grihe Eva Santi. Vatse, O child. Manishitaha Devataha means desired gods. Grihe Eva Santi, in home. So, the desired gods are in home itself. Tapaha katinam bhavati. Tapaha penance. Katinam bhavati means it is difficult. So, penance is difficult. Tava shariram so komalam vartate. Tava, your shariram body, so komalam, very soft vartate. It is. So, your body is very soft. Grihe eva vasa. In home itself you live. Vasa means live. Atraiva tava abhilashaha saphalaha bhavishyati. Atraiva is atra plus eva. Here itself tava abhilashaha, your wish, saphalaha bhavishyati, will be successful. So here itself your wish will be successful. Parvati, now she started to talk. Parvati, Amba tadrishaha abhilashaha tu tapasa eva purnaha bhavishyati. Amba, mom, tadrishaha abhilashaha, those kind of desires, tu tapasa eva purnaha bhavishyati. Tapasa means by penance, eva only, purnaha bhavishyati, it will be fulfilled. So those kind of desires, it will be fulfilled only by doing penance. Anyata tadrisham patim katham prapsyami. Anyata, otherwise, tadrisham patim, like that husband, katham, how, prapsyami, I will get. So prapsyami, it is in future tense. Otherwise, how I will get Shiva as my husband. Aham tapaha eva charishyami iti mama sankalpaha. Aham, I tapaha eva charishyami, I will follow penance. Iti mama sankalpaha, it is my resolution. So my resolution is to follow penance. Mena, Putri, Tvameva me jivanabhilashaha. Putri, O daughter, Tvameva, me is mama, here my, okay. So you are my life's desire. Jivanabhilashaha is jivana plus abhilashaha, that means life's desire. Parvati, Satyam, Param, mama manaha lakshyam praptum akulitam vartate. Satyam, it's true only. Param, but mama manaha, my mind, lakshyam means that is goal, praptum to achieve, akulitam vartate, it's worried. So but my mind is worried to achieve goal. Siddhim prapya punaha tavaiva sharanam agamishyami. Siddhim prapya, after getting result, punaha, after, tavaiva is tava plus eva. Tava means your, sharanam means feet. Agamishyami, will return. So after getting result, I will return back to your feet. That is, I will come back to you. Adyaiva Vijaya Sakam Gauri Shikaram Gachami. Adyaiva is Adya plus Eva. Today itself. Vijaya Sakam. It's with Vijaya. Gauri Shikaram. Gauri mountain. Gachami. Go. So today itself with Vijaya I go to Gauri mountain. Tataha Parvati Nishkramati. Tataha from there Parvati she started to leave. Nishkramati means leaves. Parvati Manasa Vachasa Karmana Cha Tapaha Eva Tapati Sma. Parvati Manasa means with heart. Vachasa with words. Karmana with action. Cha Tapaha Eva Tapati Sma. She did penance. So she started doing penance with wholeheartedness and with words and with actions. Kadachit Ratrau Standile Kadachitcha Shilayam Swapitisma. Kadachit sometimes Ratrau in night. Standile means on barren field. Kadachit sometimes. Shilayam in stone or in rock. Swapitisma means she slept. And sometimes she slept on barren field and sometimes she slept on rock. Ekada Vijaya Avadat. Ekada once Vijaya Avadat. She told. Vijaya Sakhi Tapaha Prabhavat Himsra Pashavo Api Tava Sakhayaha Jataha. Tapaha Prabhavat. By the effect of the penance, Himsra Pashavaha Api means wild animals also. Tava Sakhayaha, your friends, Jataha, became. So, due to penance, as you are doing penance, because of that, wild animals, they became your friends. Panchagni Vratamapi Tvam Atapaha. You started doing Panchagni Vrat also. Punarapi Tava Abhilashaha Na Purnaha Abhavat. Punarapi. Afterwards also. Tava Abhilashaha, your desire, Na Purnaha Abhavat. It didn't become fulfilled. Parvati, Ayi Vijaye, Kim Na Janasi. Ayi Vijaye, oh Vijaya, didn't you know? Manasvi Kadapi Dhairyam Na Parityajati. Manasvi means great people with great determination. Kadapi, never. Dhairyam means courage. Na Parityajati means they won't leave. So great people who have great determination, they won't give up their courage. Apicha Manorathanam Agatihi Nasti. Apicha also. Manorathana means of strong-minded people. Agatihi means absence of movement. Nasti, it is not. So for strong-minded people, there is no absence of movement. That means always they will be doing the work with determination. Vijaya, Tvam Vedam Adhitavati. So you learned Vedas. Yajnam Sampaditavati. You also performed yajnas. Yeah, Sampaditavati means performed. Tapaha Karana Jagati Tava Prasiddhihi. Because of this penance, you became popular in this world. Aparna iti namna apitvam prathitha. Aparna iti namna. By name Aparna. Tvam, you. Prathitha means famous. So, you became famous by name Aparna. Punarapi tapasaha phalam naiva drishyate. Punarapi. Punaha plus api. After that also, tapasaha phalam means the fruit of the penance. Naiva is na plus eva. Drishyate means seen. So, after that also, fruit of the penance was not seen at all. Parvati, Ai Athura Hridaye, Katham Tvam Chintita. So, oh agitated lady, Katham Tvam Chintita, how did you think all these? Nepatye, Ai Bho, Aham Ashramavatuhu. Nepatye means behind the scenes. Ai Bho, Aham Ashramavatuhu. So, ashrama means hermitage. So, I am a boy from hermitage. Jalam Vanchami. I wish to have water. Vanchami means wish. Sa Sambramam. Sa Sambramam means with agitated. Vijaye, O Vijaya. Pashya. Kopi Vatuhu Agatosti. O Vijaya. Pashya. See. Kopi Vatuhu. Some other boy. Agataha asti. He came. So, just see. Some boy has come. Vijaya Jatiti Agachat. Sahasaiva वटुरूपधारी शिवः तत्र प्राविशत्. Vijaya jatiti agachat. She came fast. Jatiti means fast. Sahasaiva is sahasa plus eva. Sahasa at eva means at once. Vaturupadhari Shivaha tatra pravishat. Pravishat means entered. Vaturupadhari Shivaha means Shiva in the form of a boy. He entered at once. Vijaya. Vato swagatam te. Swagatam means welcome. So, oh Vatu, oh boy, you are welcome. Upavishatu Bhavan. You sit. Iyam me Sakhi Parvati. She is my friend Parvati. Shivam Praptum Atra Tapaha Karoti. Shivam Praptum, to get Shiva. Atra here, Tapaha Karoti. She do penance. So, to get Shiva, here she do penance. Vatuhu, Tapasvini. That is, oh great lady who is doing penance. Kim Kriyartham. Puja Upakaranam Vartate. Puja Upakaranam means Puja plus Upakaranam. Kriyartham for doing. So, he is asking. So, for doing puja or puja materials available. Snanartham Jalam Sulabham. For taking bath, Sulabham means easy. So, is for taking bath, water available easy. Bhojanartham Phalam Vartate. For eating, are there fruits? Tvam tu janasi eva. Sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. Tvam tu janasi. You know very well that Sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. The body is surely the foremost instrument for all the deeds. That is for all the good deeds. Deeds here, actions and duties also. Parvati tushnim tishtati. Parvati, she stands with silence. The tushni means silence. Vatuhu, hey tapasvini, kimartham tapaha tapasi. Kimartham, for what reason or for why you are doing penance? Shivaya, for Shiva. Parvati, punaha tushnim tishtati. Parvati, now also she became silent. Vijaya, akuli bhuya, that is confused or perplexed. Tasmai eva tapaha tapati. Yes, she is doing penance for him only. Vaturupadhari Shivaha sahasaiva uchchaihi upahasati. Vaturupadhari Shivaha means Shiva who is in the form of a boy. Sahasaiva means sahasa plus eva. That is at once. Uchchaihi, loudly. Upahasati means he laughs. So, he started to laugh loudly. Vatuhu. Ai Parvati. Satyameva tvam Shivam patim ichasi. Oh Parvati, is that true that you wish to get Shiva? Upahasanna. By laughing, Namna Shivaha, Anyatha Ashivaha. Namna means by name. So, Shivaha means here it is auspicious. Okay. So, Anyatha means otherwise. Ashivaha means not auspicious. So, by laughing, he started to tell, just by name only he is called Shivaha. That is a person who is with auspicious. Otherwise, he is not at all auspicious. Smashane Vasati. Smashane means in burial ground. Vasati, he lives. So, he lives in burial ground. Yasya Trini Netrani Vasanam Vyagra Charma Angaragaha Chita Bhasma Parijanascha Bhutaganaha. Yasya Trini Netrani means whose three eyes. Vasanam means cloth. Vyagra Charma means tiger skin. Angaragaha Chita Bhasma means body anointed with ashes. Parijanaha cha, surrounding people are also Bhutaganaha. Bhutaganaha means demon people. So, he is a person who lives in burial ground and who is having three eyes and whose cloth is tiger skin and whose body is anointed with ashes, and the surrounding people are demon people. Kim tameva Shivam patim ichasi. Do you want to have that Shiva as your husband? Parvati, Kruddha sati, with anger. Are Vachala. Vachala means talkative or babbler. Oh, talkative. Apasara, leave. Jagati na kopi Shivasya yathartham swarupam janati. Jagati in world na kopi. No one Shivasya yathartham. Yathartham means real. Swarupa means form. Janati knows. So nobody in this world know the real form of this Shiva. Yatha tvamasi tathaiva vadasi. Tathaiva is tatha plus eva. How you are, just by thinking others also of your kind, you talk. Vijayam prati. To Vijaya. Sakhi. Chala. Oh friend. Chala means go. Yaha. Nindam karoti. Sakatu papa bhag bhavati eva. So yaha. Who. Nindam karoti. Who do blaming. Sakatu. He. Papa bhag means sinful. Bhavati eva. So one who is doing blaming, he will be a sinful person. Yaha shrunoti, sopi papa bhag bhavati. Yaha shrunoti, shrunoti means hears. One who hears, saha api, he also, papa bhag bhavati, he will also become sinful. So one who blames, he will also become sinful, and one who hears, he will also become sinful. Parvati drutagatya nishkramati. Drutagatya means fast. Nishkramati means leaves. So she leaves fast. Tadaiva prishtataha vatoho rupam parityajya shivaha tasyaha hastam grinnati. Tadaiva is tada plus eva. That is at that time itself. Prishtataha from back. Vatoho rupam parityajya. After taking off that boy's form, Shiva, tasyaha hastam grinnati. Grinnati means holds. So he holds Parvati hands. So just after taking off that boy's form, holds Parvati's hands. Parvati lajjaya kampate. Parvati lajjaya means with shy. Kampate means trembles. So she trembles with shy. Shiva, Parvati prito asmi tava sankalpena. O Parvati, prito asmi means I am pleased. Tava means your. Sankalpena with firm design. So I am pleased with your firm desire. Adya prabhuti aham tava tapobhihi krita dasosmi. Adya prabhuti, from today, aham I, tava tapobhihi, by your penance, krita daso asmi is krita dasaha plus asmi. So I became a slave. From today onwards, by your penance, I am your slave. Vinatanana Parvati Vihasati. Vinatanana is Vinata plus Anana. That is keeping downward face. Parvati, she. Vihasati means smiles. Keeping her face downwards, she smiles. With this video comes to an end. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please share it across with those whom you think might benefit from this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.